going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install, or try to install, because I never installed it before, JDM bumper pull on the Forester. So I started working on it already for like an hour or so, and I forgot to record my process. But for now, we got just a hole in the bumper, and I'm trying to fit everything. This was off a, if he wasn't lying to me, if it was off a 2012 Subaru WRX. So right now I am trying to shape the tip. Ha! Gay! Pause, so I can get it on the bumper so it can be flush. So I can sit flush like that. Not sure if you can see it. Trying to shape it so it can fit flush like that. Alright, so right now, we're just shaving.
Bro, what's good, what's up with you? Sorry, my bad, all I gotta say is I got trust issues. Always pick and choose, switching sides, yeah, you never try. Wondering why I got so many things on my fucking mind. Cause I got so many issues, fucking trust issues. Got so many to choose, I ain't trusting nobody. Sorry for the no news, this is all I've been feeling. I got some trust issues.
I don't really fuck with no one new. And it's pretty clear to see. I always feel like every new person I meet always be putting on me. I don't even trust no bitch on Tinder, just like the future said. She belong to the streets. Gold diggers, breaking back, chasing bitch, get on your knees. Sneezing while I'm making this cheese. All this green paper turn them on. Quit with all that, yes man, bullshit motherfucker, that shit get it on. Fake friends rocking with your style, they still in claim and say it's their own. Family be a bitch sometimes, watching your own blood be so cold. It's so sad, I'm so sad. Fuck, I'm really down bad. Never thought that it would come to this. I'm really fucking mad, but I'm also really glad who I know to fucking trust. I need to hit nicotine so I can feel that hair rush again. Buzz, it don't matter on which one I fucking choose. It also don't matter to be real and the front too. Well, I got some new news. Listen real closely. If you a fake bitch, you are not my homie.
Ayo, bro, what's good, what's up with you? Sorry, my bad, all I gotta say is I got trust issues. Always pick and choose, switching sides, yeah, you never try. Wondering why I got so many things on my fucking mind. Cause I got so many issues, fucking trust issues. Got so many to choose, I ain't trusting nobody. Sorry for the no news, this is all I've been feeling. I got some trust issues.
Alright guys, we got it. But I don't like the fitment on this right here. It's not too flush, but I mean, that's the best I can do. It's not OEM, so I think I might just run it. So let's check it out real quick. Let's see it in action. Let's see the erection. Ooh. And you got a hard on. And also I need to find a way how to mount it. The mounting is pretty weird. Obviously we're gonna go over here, and it comes with brackets, but I might have to do a custom bracket for it. We'll see how that goes. But overall, it's good. It works. The mounting and bracket part, I'll probably have to figure that out later, and then if I figure it out, I will update you on another video. But now it is time to go inside. So if you guys like the video, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, also let me know. New to the channel, please hit that like and sub, and see you guys on the next video.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.